This 5-minute solution will show you how to change or hide country location on YouTube channel. So if you want to hide your country or location, just follow these simple steps. First of all, open YouTube and click on your profile photo and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, here click on Settings and select Channel and select the Basic Info tab, and here you will find the country of residence option. Click on it, and here is no option to hide your country location. So you can select a different country to hide your exact location. For example, I live in Australia and I want to hide my location. So I'm selecting here Belgium and then click on Save. And this is the only way to hide or change YouTube channel country location. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.